Hello, and welcome to Everyday Talk, the podcast for learners who want to speak English with more confidence and joy. I'm Tom, and I'm here to help you speak English more naturally, step by step, day by day.
I'm Sarah, and I will be speaking slowly and clearly so you can follow me and repeat after me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something very simple but very powerful.
How to practice English every single day, even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country.
That's right. Many people think they need to move to the UK or America to speak English well, but that's not true. You don't need to live in London, you don't need a native speaker next to you, and you don't need to study for hours every night.
What you need are small, smart steps. Steps that are easy to repeat, fit into your daily life, and help you feel more comfortable, natural, and confident using English. So let's begin. How to practice English every single day. Even if your life is busy, even if you feel shy, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. Shadowing is one of the best techniques to improve your speaking and listening at the same time. It's simple and very powerful. Here is how it works. You listen to someone speaking English, like us right now, and you try to repeat exactly what they say.
You don't stop. You don't translate in your mind. You don't look at a dictionary. You just copy the sound like an echo. You try to say the words at the same speed, with the same tone, and the same rhythm as the speaker.
Let's try it together. I'll say a sentence and you repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently.
I listen to English every day.
Shadowing helps me speak better. Now you repeat. Very good. That's it. That's shadowing.
At first, it feels a little strange, and you may not understand everything you hear, but that's okay. Shadowing is not about understanding every word.
Exactly. It's about training your brain and your mouth to work together in English. It helps you get used to how English sounds, how it moves, and how it feels in your mouth.
Exactly. If you do this often, even 5 minutes a day, you will start to speak faster, more clearly, and more naturally. It's a small habit with big results.
Exactly, which brings us to our main question. How can you practice English every day? I hear so many students say, I want to learn, but I don't have time, or I feel nervous when I speak, or I don't know how to start.
Exactly. You don't need a lot of time, perfect grammar, or the right moment. You just need to begin. So, let's give you 5 simple and powerful ways to practice. What's tip number 1, Tom?
Tip number 1 is to listen to English every day. This is the most important step. If you want to speak better, you must listen more, not just once a week, but every single day. Listening helps you learn new words, hear the real rhythm of English, and get used to how real people speak.
So, how can you do it? You can listen to podcasts like this one, English music, or watch videos on YouTube. You can also listen to short stories or English news for learners. And remember, you don't need to understand 100%. Even if it's just 30% or 50%, it's still useful. Just let the sounds enter your ears.
Exactly. You can listen while you walk, clean, cook, or exercise. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough to make a difference. Make English your background music. Now, for tip number 2, shadow what you hear.
Now that you're listening, the next step is to use your voice. Listening is great, but speaking is how you grow strong. After you listen to a sentence or a short part of an audio, repeat it. Copy the voice and match the rhythm.